Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Ensure your Kotak account is active for at least 6 months and KYC documents, Aadhaar and PAN, are ready. Once done, choose the quickest channel. Kotak mobile app for speed, net banking if you prefer desktop, or branch if you need help. Open the app or log in, navigate to card services and select metal debit card request. Provide account details and preferred delivery address, and make sure your mobile number is linked for OTP verification before proceeding. Now you move into the detailed execution. Pick the exact metal card design and check the issuance fee and annual charges so there are no surprises. After selection, upload any missing KYC images if prompted. Enter your PAN and Aadhaar references, then complete OTP verification. This establishes authenticity. Next, confirm billing and delivery address and pay the card issuance fee using net banking, UPI, or debit. Finally, download or screenshot the payment receipt and application confirmation for your finish by tracking delivery and activating the card. Metal cards typically ship in 7 to 14 working days, so monitor status via the app or SMS. Once received, follow the activation steps. Set or change ATM PIN at a Kotak ATM, activate through the app, or call the helpline for immediate enablement. If something goes wrong, check KYC clearance and payment status. If delivery is delayed or application failed, raise a complaint and note the token number. This helps escalate and resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.